Poolert is an advanced AI-powered pool alarm designed to enhance pool safety with cutting-edge technology. Here are some of its main features. 1. Quad Alert System. This system consists of a high-resolution AI camera, underwater motion sensor, real-time app notifications, and alarms within the home. All of this provides comprehensive monitoring 24/7. 2. AI-powered detection. AI algorithms can distinguish between routine activities and real threats. Reduce false alarms. It can detect when humans or animals approach the pool, alerting you in advance. 3. Real-time notifications. Users get instant notifications through the Poolert app, allowing them to quickly respond to potential threats. 4. Voice assistant integration. Poolert works with Alexa and Google Assistant. They allow you to control modes and get notifications with voice commands. 5. Solar-powered charging and wire-free installation, designed for simplicity. It has wireless Wi-Fi connectivity and solar charging. Makes it easy to install in underground pools. 6. Durable design. Aerospace aluminum construction ensures reliable performance in all weather conditions. 7. Multiple modes, including working, sleeping, and swimming modes to suit different needs and situations. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Poolert. Pros. AI-powered detection. Poolert uses advanced artificial intelligence. It accurately identifies potential threats. This includes people or objects entering the pool without permission. Real-time notifications. It sends instant notifications to your smartphone or other connected device, which can take immediate action if needed. Weatherproof design, built to withstand harsh weather conditions. This ensures reliable performance all year long. Easy installation. Poolert is designed for easy installation, making it accessible to pool owners of all skill levels. Customizable settings. Lets you adjust your alarm sensitivity and notification settings to suit your specific needs. Reduced battery usage. Poolert's design saves power, reduce battery usage, and reduce maintenance requirements. Cons. Cost. As a premium product, the Poolert can be more expensive than traditional pool alarms. Dependency on technology. Our reliance on technology means that regular updates and maintenance be needed to guarantee optimal performance. False alerts. Even as AI technology advances, there is still the possibility of false alerts, which can be inconvenient. Overall, Poolert offers a comprehensive and reliable swimming pool alarm solution. It combines advanced AI technology with user-friendly features to give optimal safety and peace of mind for swimming pool owners. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.